Wait, did you really think that I was going to throw this piece of garbage into this beautiful garden and ruin its naturality? Sir, I'm sorry, but this is Vivekanand School. It doesn't work like that here. But how did we make this decision and how did we reach to this stage? But first, let me show you around.
Every year, we generate tons of waste. But where does it go? Into big landfills, increasing pollution and diseases? We needed a solution. Sometimes, small acts can make a big difference. And when the difference is to be brought in the mentality and habits of the society, the change must start within us. Hello everyone, let me take you on an exciting journey of how we are transforming our school into a zero-waste zone under the visionary guidance of respected Chairman Sir, Mr. Pradyumn Ahuja and Director Ma'am, Ms. Megha Ahuja.
Vivekanand School has discovered and implemented many innovative solutions to achieve this goal right here in our campus. After being assigned the project, we noticed that a lot of waste was generated in our school. So we thought, why not start here? We, the students of Environment Council, have proven that complex problems require simple solutions.
Do you know, once our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji mentioned in his radio show Mann Ki Baat about the importance of saving the environment. But Mann Ki Baat would not yield any outcome until and unless it becomes Jan Jan Ki Baat. And the citizens of India realize the drastic effects of waste and feel the need for saving the environment.
With the support and guidance of our dedicated teacher mentors, Ms. Anju Murjani and Ms. Akanksha Arora, we began our mission. The first step was to conduct a series of meetings to outline and brainstorm our strategies. This step was crucial to plan out our strategies for the project. May I come in, ma'am?
Next, we conducted informative sessions in our school auditorium to educate and engage my fellow mates. These sessions were designed to apprise everyone about the importance of waste management and the details of our project. We explained how each student can contribute to make our school a zero-waste zone and emphasized on the collective efforts required for the success.
Our first major strategy was to remove dustbins from the whole school. Yes, it might sound surprising, but it encourages everyone to manage their own waste responsibly. We introduced the self-waste management system.
Each student carries a designated waste bag from their home every day. We collect and store any waste generated by us and take it back home for proper disposal. This way, we ensure our school remains clean and waste-free.
Last but not the least, in this journey, we are also connected with an NGO, Trash to Cash, which collects plastic wrappers and transforms them into something useful. We can see that the students give these wrappers, which can now be sent to the NGO for recycling.
Class teacher plays a crucial role too. They make sure that every student brings their own waste bag and conduct regular checks in their classrooms, and also educate us on effective waste management.
We have a sticker policy. We check the classes regularly, and the classes that are absolutely clean are given green stickers, whereas the classes where we found waste are given red stickers.
And if the class gets green sticker for the whole month, are rewarded as the eco champion of the month.
We make strict compliance rules under which no one hides waste in the school. We maintain clean classrooms and cooperate during cleanliness checks. If there are any issues, we report them to our teachers or Environment Council members. We also maintain the cleanliness record as seen on the door. We can also see that the students abide to the Shunya Waste project.
Before we started this project, the waste generated by our school was 70 to 80 kgs per day. By our collective efforts, now we have reduced it to 16 kgs per day.
We are hopeful that by continuing to be responsible citizens, we will achieve our goal of a zero waste school.
Thanks to everyone's commitment, we are on a way to achieve the target of zero waste school. By following these practices, let's keep up the good spirit and make our Shunya Waste project a huge success. Together we can and we will!